Hey guys, here's Mark for another food challenge. Today, I challenge you to do a cheeseburger with me. This is the perfect dish for a beginner cook because it's easy, fast, and delicious. A cheeseburger is simply made out of bun, ground meat, and cheese. First thing, we put all the meat into a big bowl. We add eggs, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. We mix all that with our clean hands. And then we make some balls like this. After that, we pat it as flat as we can. And you repeat the same process until every burger is done. Next is the topping. I will put onions and lettuce on my burger, but as always, you do as you please. For the lettuce, I slice it in very tiny pieces. The onion can be challenging to cut, but with the right technique, it becomes easy. Start by cutting the onion in half. Then, you peel the first layer of the onion. After, put the flat side of the onion on the cutting board and make vertical cut like this. Next, you do the same thing but in the other side. Now it's time to cook. Use a medium-sized pan, put some oil in it, and set the stove at medium heat. Let the pan heat up a bit, and then put the burgers on. Now, the important thing is not to move it. Let this cook for about 6 minutes. In the meantime, take your bun and put it in the toaster. After 6 minutes, we flip the burger, put some yellow cheese on it, and we wait another 6 minutes. Here's a trick for having a really nice melted cheese. You take some water, you drop a tiny bit in the pan, and you cover it. The steam from the water will melt the cheese. When the burger is nearly done, drop some onion in the pan. That way, all the juice from the meat will give a really nice taste to the onion. And cooked onion are also easier to digest. Now that everything is cooked, we are ready to eat. You could simply put some ketchup and this burger would be very good. But what I like to do is a special sauce. Here's the recipe if you want to try it. 2 tablespoons of relish, half a cup of mayo. I said half a cup of mayo. Here you go. Half a tablespoon of vinegar, half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a pinch of paprika, half a tablespoon of mustard, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. You mix all that and you got a sauce that tastes a lot like one from a very famous burger place that starts with a big M. Now that everything is ready, we put all that together. And tema, you get your cheeseburger. I call this burger the Big Mark. And it's mamaktuk. Thank for watching. Feel free to comment on this video and subscribe to this channel for more recipe. See ya!